So, reality is dealt with as if it is structured in frames, stealing from literally how we measure shit, right? Like, how do you measure a thing? You take a reading, wait a little bit, you take another reading. Did it change? That's it. That's the whole that's measurement. So we can also look at physics and Planck length, and I did the video on postmodernism and truth, 2 + 2 = 5, if you want to get into that further. It is structured in frames, reality. That's how we deal with it. So in this way, reality peers through our window, our literal measurement window, and communicates with us. Anthropomorphizing here a bit, but I think that's fine. But what are we able to do with surety? What are we able to, with surety, conclude from these messages? Nothing. They're just messages. We can't be sure about these messages. They're just messages. Who's sending these messages? Is anything? Is it just noise? I mean, many questions. Thus, we arrive at the OG badass extraordinaire, Socrates. The statement of not knowing, not greater than or equal to, affects our decision-making greatly. We must make decisions. We got to do it. With the assumption that what emerges from the black box, fundamental black box of reality, could be anything. What do we mean by anything? Do we mean anything we've experienced before? Can the past have any relation to the future? Maybe, but we have no reason, no cause, no foundation for that belief, understanding, decision-making process. So what is the implication? A new number system. Baby, why not? And again, this is aimed at practicality and fun, because fuck it. So this is discussing sort of like what we've never received at all. It's not in our data set. It is first rule of data science, the data lies. Okay? I made that shit up. So what have we received from reality is number systems. It's physics, it's engineering, it's literally everything. It's love, hope, etc. But there's no reason to believe we've seen all the data. No reason whatsoever. Nor that, that sort of little window, reality is peering into us, is coming through and interacting with us by, this could be Descartes' demon. It's literally what I'm kind of circling around a bit, so that these messages we've sort of received are not necessarily untainted or undirected. They might be exactly what they are. Very possible that there's no mystery here. But again, we're doing decision making. So how do we make good decisions? We want to take into account the worst case. Well, the worst case is that everything we've been told was given to us by a demon and is a lie. Descartes' demon. It sounds very harebrained and off the wall. I guarantee you it is not. It is founded in very good philosophy and mathematics and things. So this kind of gets us into the, this should be its own video, which is fun. That's fine. This gets us into a new kind of way of thinking, and I'll throw this in there. Why not? Little fun history of me. When I first became a Christian, born again, that whole shebang, my first thought that sort of reverberated through my mind was, everything is possible, or all things are possible, whatever. And, some of the hormones go down, and you're like, wait, that's probably not true, maybe? I don't know, if you get practical or whatever. But this sort of at least allows that to be an option, that everything could be possible. We certainly can't rule it out, and that's nice. Now, I think this is fascinating and interesting, but I, as of yet, have no application. I don't think this is going to revolutionize AI. I do think surreal numbers could. So this is fun, little after hours, good time. And, philosophy finds uses in ways that we don't quite realize yet. So You know, is it a number? Is it just philosophy said a fancy way? Yes, to all accounts.